Hi, in this video, we'll discuss about DDA line drawing algorithm in computer graphics. A line can be defined as set of points between the two endpoints x1, y1 and x2, y2. So the equation of a line with slope m and intercept b is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is equal to dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and b is equal to y1 minus m into x1. Here the DDA stands for Digital Differential Analyzer. So DDA stands for Digital Differential Analyzer, and this is an incremental method. Means at every iteration we increment either x or y by 1 and calculate the other coordinates. If m is less than 1, that is positive slope, means we just increment or we calculate like this: yk plus 1 is equal to yk plus m, and xk plus 1 is equal to xk plus 1 by m. Otherwise, yk plus 1 is equal to yk minus m, and xk plus 1 is equal to xk minus 1 by m. In this line DDA algorithm, first we initialize dy is equal to y2 minus y1 and dx is equal to x2 minus x1. And also we initialize the x and y, initial x and y value as x1 and y1. If dy is greater than dx, then steps is equal to dx, else steps is equal to dx. It means that we try to find where we have more points, either in x direction or y direction. So we try to proceed on that direction. So we use this condition and we obtain the variable x. So now we calculate two more constant values, that is x increment, that is equal to dx divided by steps, and y increment is equal to dy divided by steps. For k in 1 to steps, that is for n steps number of times, we repeat this. We plot x comma y and we calculate the new x and y value, like xk plus 1 is equal to xk plus x increment, yk plus 1 is equal to yk plus y increment. So this is our algorithm. We will trace this algorithm. We'll start with x1 y1 is equal to 20 comma 10, and x2 y2 is equal to 30 comma 18. So now we will calculate our dx and dy. Dx is equal to 30 minus 20 and dy is equal to 18 minus 10, that is equal to 8. Now we just compare this dx and dy, and it is greater than, dx is greater than dy. So we say steps is equal to 10. Now we calculate the x increment, that is dx minus steps. 10 minus 10 is equal to 1. So y increment is dy minus steps, that is 8 divided by 10 is equal to 0.8. So now we get xk plus 1 is equal to xk plus x increment, that is equal to 1, and yk plus 1 is equal to yk plus 0.8, because that is the y increment. So with this, we try to generate the other values. Now let us start with xk and yk. You see here, what is your x value, initial value? We start with 20 and 10. At each iteration, we try to increment the x value by 1 and we calculate the y value, that is xk plus 1 is equal to xk plus 1, yk plus 1 is equal to yk plus 0.8. So what is y? 10. 10 plus 0.8 is 10.8. Now we just got 21. 10.8, we cannot plot it on your graph. So we try to round off to the nearest integer, so that is 11. So the next iteration, xk is equal to xk plus 1 and yk is equal to yk plus 1 is equal to yk plus 0.8, that is 11.6. So the next point to be plotted is 22. 11.6, when you round it off, it will become 12. So we'll be getting the next to xk plus 1 is 23, and 11.6 plus 0.8 will become 12.4. So it is 23, 12.4. When you round off, it is 12. 12.4 will become 12. So we got same number. See, so we get 23, 12. So next iteration, it will become 24 plus 0.8 will become 13.2. So here we'll be getting 24. When you round off this 13, this will become 13 only. 13.2 will become 13. So we increment x by 1. Y is equal to yk plus 0.8 will become 14. So we'll be getting 25, 14 and so on. So we'll be getting all these values. We'll try to plot this on our graph. So first point is 20, 10. So 20, 10. Second point is 21, 11. Next point is 22, 12. 23, 12. 24, 13. 25, 14. 26, 15. 27, 16. 28, 16. 28, 29, 17 and 30, 18. So we get a graph like this when we plot all these points. So we have generated the graph using DDA algorithm. The advantages of this algorithm is it is easy to implement, faster method for pixel calculation. But the disadvantages are accumulation of round off errors. You would have seen 13.2 will just round off to 13. Then 12.8 will be rounded off to 13. Like that we will do some round off in our calculations. So the calculated pixels also drift away from the actual path. Small variations will happen. These are the disadvantages and advantages of your DDA line drawing algorithm. So your reference book is Computer Graphics by Hernan Becker. You refer this book for more data. Have a nice day.